Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2008 Volkswagen Jetta and I will show you how to remove and replace the window switch regulator. This video applies to Volkswagen Jettas made from 2005 all the way up to 2010, and this is the 5th generation of Volkswagen Jettas MK5. Okay, so the first thing you want to do here, first you want to pop out this small plastic insert on the door handle itself. You can do that by using a small flat screwdriver. So you pretty much just want to pry it out. And you can see there is a couple of these clips which are holding this in place. And once you have done that, you will also have to pop out this complete plastic assembly. The best thing to use would be like a plastic trim remover. If you don't have one, you can also use a flat screwdriver. Just be careful so you don't do any damage to the area around it. Yes, so just also pry it out from all the sides. Just like that, and pull it straight out, and that's pretty much everything. So there is no any special tools necessary, you just need the pry tool. And now the next thing to do would be to disconnect the wiring, and then you can separate this switch from this plastic base. So to unplug it, there is like a small clip right here which you want to press and pull the connector out. Okay, I'm trying to work with one hand. So I want to press onto this and pull it straight out. And now the last thing to do is just to completely remove that switch. Next thing to do would be to remove 3 Phillips screws, 1 here and 2 here on the other side. So all you need is a Phillips screwdriver and remove those screws. Once the screws are out, there is nothing else holding it anymore, so you can just completely remove this switch assembly and install your new switch and put it back together. Very easy to do, it takes like literally 5 minutes. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.